Welcome to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus review. What's up everybody, it's your tech man MKBHD back with another review. Today we're diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Samsung has been killing it in the smartphone game for years. And with the S25 Plus, they're not slowing down. This phone is packed with features, it's got a killer design. The camera? Let's just say it's ready to elevate your Instagram game. We'll break down everything that makes this phone tick. By the end, you'll know if the Galaxy S25 Plus is the right fit for you. So buckle up, tech enthusiasts, let's get this review started. I'm excited to share my thoughts on this device. Let's see what Samsung has brought to the table this time. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First impressions? This phone feels premium. Samsung has really refined the design language with the S25 Plus. The build quality is top-notch. It has an aluminum frame that feels sturdy and reassuring in hand. The back panel is made of Gorilla Glass Victus 2. This means it's super resistant to scratches and drops. Samsung offers the S25 Plus in some really slick colors this year. They've got something for everyone. The phone is also IP68 rated for water and dust resistance. You don't have to worry about getting caught in the rain. Overall, the S25 Plus boasts a design that is both elegant and durable. Let's talk about this display. The S25 Plus packs a stunning 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X panel. And let me tell you, it's a beauty. Colors are vibrant and punchy. Blacks are deep and inky. The star of the show here is the 120 Hz refresh rate. Everything feels buttery smooth. Scrolling through social media or web pages is a joy. Trust me, once you go 120 Hz, you can't go back. The display also boasts a peak brightness of 1750 nits. This means you can easily see your screen even under direct sunlight. Samsung has knocked it out of the park with this display. Under the hood, the S25 Plus is powered by the latest and greatest Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. This phone can handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing videos on the go, the S25 Plus doesn't break a sweat. I tested this phone with some of the most demanding games. The performance was flawless. No lag, no stutters, just pure gaming bliss. The S25 Plus comes with up to 12 GB of RAM. This ensures smooth and efficient multitasking. You can switch between multiple apps without any slowdowns. This phone is a true productivity powerhouse. Section 5, Camera capturing moments with precision. Let's talk about the camera, because that's what many of you are here for. The S25 Plus features a triple camera system on the back. You've got a 50-megapixel wide-angle lens, there's a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and to round it off, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. Samsung's camera software is known for its ease of use and versatility, and the S25 Plus takes it to the next level. Photos come out looking crisp and detailed with vibrant colors and excellent dynamic range. The phone can shoot videos up to 8K resolution at 30 frames per second. You can capture stunning footage with incredible detail. Overall, the S25 Plus camera is a major selling point for this phone. Section 6, Battery life, power through your day. Battery life is crucial, and I'm happy to report that the S25 Plus doesn't disappoint. It packs a sizable 4,800 mAh battery. This easily lasts for a full day of moderate to heavy use. I'm talking about browsing social media, streaming videos, and even some light gaming. You can push this phone hard without worrying about running out of juice. When it's time to recharge, the S25 Plus supports 45-watt fast-wired charging. You can go from 0 to 100% in just over an hour. It also supports fast wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. Section 7, Software experience. One UI 6 and Android 14. The S25 Plus ships with Samsung's One UI 6. This is based on the latest Android 14. One UI has come a long way. It's now one of the most refined and feature-rich Android skins out there. I like the clean aesthetics and the useful features Samsung has baked in. You've got tons of customization options. There are enhanced privacy controls and seamless integration with other Samsung devices. The software experience on the S25 Plus is top-notch. Samsung has done a great job of optimizing One UI for performance and efficiency. Section 8, The verdict. Is the S25 Plus worth it? So there you have it, folks. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. It's a beast of a phone. It's got a stunning display. The The performance is incredibly fast, the camera is top of the line, and the battery life won't let you down. Is it perfect? No phone is, but Samsung has come pretty darn close with the S25 Plus. This phone is for you if you're looking for a premium Android experience without any compromises. It's not exactly a budget phone, but if you're willing to splurge, the S25 Plus is worth every penny. Section 9. Farewell for now. That's it for my review of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Are you planning to pick one up? What features are you most excited about? As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.